Why do I have to wear a mask? Right? Healthy people shouldn't have to wear masks, because the idea of wearing a surgical mask is to prevent you from spreading infections to other people, right? So the reasoning behind me having to wear a mask is that if I've got it and I'm asymptomatic, then wearing a mask will prevent me from spreading it to someone else. But here's the thing, right? Where's the logic? Where's the logic in this? If I've got it and and I'm asymptomatic, I mean, it's something that's so benign that I don't even develop any symptoms, right? Then what does it matter if I spread it to someone else? Because if they get what I've supposedly got, right, then they're going to be asymptomatic as well. So in other words, no symptoms. So, this imaginary disease that is imaginary due to the fact that it has no symptoms, this imaginary disease I've got, the reason why I have to wear this stupid mask, right? Where's the logic in that? Where's the logic in me wearing a mask to prevent you from catching an imaginary disease from me that even if you did catch, you wouldn't have any symptoms? You'd be the same as me with no symptoms. Where's the logic? Where's the logic in me having to wear this stupid fucking mask? Oh, what a shit.